Imagine you're planning your dream house. Would you tell the builder, just give me 3 bedrooms and a kitchen and walk away? Probably not. You'd want detailed floor plans, material lists, plumbing, electric wiring, everything. In the world of software, the same logic applies. That detailed plan is called the Software Design Document, or SDD. The SDD is usually written by software architects, senior developers, or technical leads. It's created after the SRS is signed off, during the design phase of the software development lifecycle. This happens before a single line of code is written. The goal is to think through. What components are needed? What tech stack fits best? What are the risks and constraints? How will modules talk to each other? For example, if your app needs real-time updates, you'll plan WebSocket communication in the SDD itself, not after development starts. A well-crafted SDD isn't just documentation, it's insurance for your software project. It prevents chaos, keeps the team aligned, and makes sure your project can grow and scale smoothly. So before you start building your next app, make sure your blueprint, the SDD, is ready to guide you. If this helped you understand SDDs better, hit like, share with your team, and subscribe for more detailed tech breakdowns.